Two top-tier design tools, loved by creators everywhere. But which one really delivers? On one side, Canva, fast, friendly, and all about designing anything. On the other, Adobe Express, sleek, powerful, and deeply rooted in the Adobe legacy. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category gets points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
All right, here's what we're going to check out today. First up, pricing, because you know what? Money matters. Then we'll jump into templates and design assets, because hello, who wants boring choices? After that, team collaboration, because working solo is so last decade. Moving on, ecosystem integration is next. You'll want to know how these tools play with others. And finally, video editing. Yep, we're really covering all the bases. Let's kick it off with pricing. Starting with Canva. It's got some pretty generous paid plans, honestly, especially if you're looking for features. But, and this is a bit of a pain, it's slightly more expensive if you're a single user just trying to whip up some magic. Now, Adobe Express, well, it's a bit easier on your wallet for solo flyers. And, oh, here's something cool. It throws in access to other Adobe apps. On the flip side, though, its free features aren't as generous as Canva's, which might have you squinting at your screen. For the price point, I'm going to give this one to Adobe Express. All right, next, templates and design assets. Canva just absolutely explodes with a huge library of templates. I mean, you've got choices for days. If you love making videos, you'll dig the royalty-free videos. They're everywhere. A tiny bummer, their PDF exports come out flattened, which is like a mild headache if you need to edit them later. Adobe Express swings the opposite way here. It has unflattened PDFs and definitely offers up more typefaces, which is awesome. But compared to Canva, the template choices are a little meh, like not nearly as overwhelming. So on this one, Canva has the crown. Team collaboration. This is a big one, right? Canva pulls ahead here with advanced collaboration tools. If you're working with a squad, you're set. It's almost like their features were built for group projects. The catch? Their customer support options are sort of limited, which can be a drag if you run into any weird bugs or hiccups. Now, Adobe Express brings some killer customer support to the table, but when it comes to working together, the collab stuff is just lacking. It's kind of like trying to play multiplayer in a single-player game. So, winner here, it's got to be Canva. Oh, and here's something cool I found out. Both Canva and Adobe Express are getting regular updates. So, if you're worried about missing out on new features or better performance, honestly, you're covered either way. Technology waits for no one, right? Ecosystem integration. Let's talk about that. Canva is honestly pretty slick with a wide range of integrations. Google Drive, Dropbox, and all that. So you're mostly covered. But, and here's where it kind of stumbles, no ability to tap into the Adobe ecosystem. Like, if you're living that full Adobe life, you're left outside with Canva. Adobe Express, on the other hand, not only plays super smoothly with all the other Adobe tools, Photoshop, Illustrator, you name it, it just slots right in. The downside? Not too many integrations outside of Adobe. But if you're already in that ecosystem, it's seamless. So, Adobe Express snags this round. Last but not least, video editing. Canva steps up with a genuinely powerful video editor, way more robust than you'd expect from a design app. Like, you can whip up social clips and animations with no headaches. Really loving this part. Adobe Express, I've got to be honest, not so strong in the video editing game. It's serviceable, but if you want to do anything beyond basic trims and splices, you'll get frustrated pretty quickly. So, this one's a win for Canva. If you're into charts, here's how these two stack up across pricing, templates, collaboration, integrations, and video editing. You'll see Canva shining on templates, teamwork, and videos, while Adobe Express really nails it with pricing and its Adobe-friendly vibe. So where do I land after all this? If you're building out content with a small team, or video editing is high on your list, Canva is just, well, the obvious pick. But if you're already bumping up against the Adobe ecosystem and love living in that world, Adobe Express could really just slot perfectly in. Totally depends on what you're after. All right, the verdict's in. Pick whichever one suits your design journey best. Want endless templates? Canva. All in with Adobe apps? Adobe Express is your ticket. So, seriously, start designing with either Canva or Adobe Express today. You'll thank yourself later.